The first half of 2026 is shaping up to be an exciting one for the Tribology and Lubrication community. From hands-on training to major events and must-read resources, here are the top 10 things to look forward to with STLE in early 2026. STLE members can look forward to exclusive industry insights discussions, including one on January 22nd titled Development and Testing of Fluids from the Additive Formulator's Perspective. These conversations offer direct access to expert perspectives on critical industry topics. We're kicking off the year with the new STLE Interactive Lubrication Training Experience on February 10th to 11th at Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio, Texas. This immersive program is designed to bring learning to life through engagement, collaboration, and real-world application in the lab. Don't forget about STLE local section events happening throughout the year. These meetings offer valuable technical content, networking opportunities, and the chance to connect with peers in your region. View the calendar under the Events tab at the STLE website. On March 10th to 11th at Argonne National Laboratory in Lamont, Illinois, deepen your expertise with the industry-exclusive STLE Metalworking Fluid Management course, covering best practices, troubleshooting, and practical solutions for real-world challenges. The highlight of the spring is the STLE annual meeting, taking place May 17th to 21st. With the theme Innovating Through Tribology and Lubrication, this premier event brings together technical sessions, networking, exhibits, and thought leadership from across the industry. STLE is also focusing on wellness and community during the annual meeting with the NextGen Fundraiser event, featuring yoga and Pilates wellness sessions, a refreshing way to recharge while supporting the next generation of professionals. Expect new STLE special reports, including an upcoming release focused on sustainable lubricants, providing timely insights into evolving technologies and industry priorities. The highly anticipated 2026 STLE Emerging Trends report will be released in May, offering a forward-looking perspective on the technologies, challenges, and opportunities shaping the future of tribology and lubrication. STLE will continue to offer online short courses on topics such as synthetic lubricants, metalworking fluid problems, and more, ideal for professionals looking to sharpen their skills efficiently. Finally, stay connected and informed with a full lineup of STLE webinars, delivering expert insights and practical knowledge in a convenient online format. With so many opportunities to learn, connect, and grow, the first half of 2026 is one you won't want to miss. Visit www.stle.org to explore upcoming events and make the most of everything STLE has to offer.